Hey, welcome back everybody. So in this video we'll be making an anvil, an upright anvil post I would say. So this is a forklift tine. It weighs 265 pounds. I got it from the scrapyard. It is 6 inches wide with a depth of 2.5 inches, and we're going to be making about a 31-inch section and just sticking it straight up and down and using that for our anvil. And then this part I will be using in a future video or something, so I'll have to figure out what I want to use that for, but we're mainly going to be using this piece right here. So I'll get it cut out with the angle grinder and we'll see how much it weighs. The nice thing about using these forklift tines over a railroad is once we do stand this up, all the mass of the anvil will be directly beneath it. So like your traditional I-beam or railroad tie, you'll have some mass up top, but then it gets really skinny. And so this is going to work out pretty good. And I think it's going to be over 100 pounds. So we'll see how it turns out. Alright, so about 2 hours later, we got it. We got two separate pieces now. So this is 100 pounds for about even. I'm going to keep this, use that for something. I like to hold on to that. But so this we're going to cut down to 29 inches. And this whole piece right here weighs 165 pounds. So, I mean, I still think that as being it's so thick, we're going to have over 100 pounds, which is good. And this should bring it up just the right height. So, yeah, 4.5 inch angle grinder does not like to cut through that quite very well. As you can see, I had one little spot that I ended up just breaking off. But, yeah, a little bit above 4.5 inches angle grinder, unless you decide to put some bigger wheels on there. Alright, finally got it cut. I think that was the hardest part, was cutting this with the 4.5 inch angle grinder. So, final result is about 31 inches I believe, and it's 95 pounds. So I'm going to clean it up, make a wood stand to surround it, but pretty happy how it turned out. So I'll get this cleaned up and put it in some wood. Alright, so we took the angle grinder with the sanding disc and smoothed up the bottom. Got a lot of the big main dust off. I think I'm going to hit it up and just to polish it up, because I don't want to put it in there really rusty. So I'll clean it up a bit more, get all that rust off, and then we'll set this in down inside of a wood frame, and it should be just about perfect level. Gotta finish off the face on this side, but finally got it looking alright. Alright, welcome back. So we got it cut. We got two pieces up here. So this is 100 pounds, the flat slab, very flat. I still need to flatten out this. You can see some high points here I've been working on. But that is 100 pounds straight down. So this is my main working surface. This can be done for used for light stuff, but I like this curve here. That's nice. But yeah, 100 pounds each, so 200 pounds. Someday I'll get a stump, hopefully, but solid. Got some hammers up here. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. All this from a 265 pound forklift tine. So I mean, angle grinder, not very many cutting disc was used. It was a pain trying to get through this thickness with only 4.5-inch grinder, but I got it done. If you have a 5-inch grinder or above, it'd be really quick and easy. But yeah, scrapyard, that's where we got it, and pretty cheap project, alternative to buying an expensive anvil. So next step is building a forge, so we'll see how that goes and put this thing to use. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the build along, and see you next time.